Good morning, my dear students. So, this is illustration number 1 of chapter 9, Laser. Hope you have all done illustration number 1, general entries. You have passed the general entries. Now, I am going to teach you how to prepare laser accounts from the help of general entries. First of all, we pass all the general transaction like cash account debit to capital account, furniture account debit to cash account, purchase account debit to cash account. And we can see here that so many accounts we have used in this question, like cash account 1, capital account 2, furniture account 3, cash account, purchase account, Vishal Trading and Company, Mohan Garments, purchase return, discount received, sales account, Hero Limited, drawings account, and so on. So there are so many accounts we have used in this illustration in the journal entries. Now, in the next session, we will prepare all the separate section of accounts, like a separate section for cash account, separate section for capital account, separate section of furniture account, purchase account, Vishal Trading Company account, Mohan Garments, and so on. You can see on your book. So now I will teach you how we can prepare the accounts. First of all, you will write here laser of Siaram and Company, that is proprietor. First of all, we will prepare cash account, and all the transaction related to the cash we will transfer to the cash account only, like this entry, this, not this, because we are not having the cash account in this entry. Again, not this, but this entry also, because of cash, not this, and so on. So we will take only the cash transaction because we are going to prepare cash account, and the columns are date, particulars, general folio, amount, date, particulars, general folio, amount. These 4 columns are for debit side and these 4 columns are for credit side. Now look at here. First entry is cash account debit to capital account. Then you will pass this transaction into the cash account and you will write here to capital account on the left hand side. You will write here to capital account in the cash account. Cash account debit to capital account. Next, furniture account debit to cash account. Then we will write here buy furniture account in cash account. Okay. Again, purchase account debit to cash account. Again, this side buy purchase. This will not transfer. Again, this Vishal Trading and Company account debit to cash account to discount account. Then cash account, the opposite transaction. कैश अकाउंट यहाँ पर देखो बेटे किस चीज़ का, ये क्रेडिट नेचर का है, 2 में आ रहा है, तो इसका जस्ट अपोजिट विशाल ट्रेडिंग कंपनी, इसको इधर लिखेंगे बाय विशाल ट्रेडिंग कंपनी बाय ₹19,000, not 20,000, because the cash transaction related to the Vishal Trading Company is for 19,000. So the most notable thing is that we will record the opposite side transaction in the book itself. we will write opposite side transaction in the book itself. Like if there is a cash account debit, then we will write here to capital account, that is opposite account. If cash is credit, then we will write buy furniture account. Hope you understood. Okay, so again we will start with the transaction 15th April. Cash account debit to sales account, then we will write here to sales account. Okay, you can also tell these transaction like to side, and this is the buy side. Okay, all the two side transaction will be transferred to the debit side of cash account. Okay, that is left side, but only related to the cash account. Now the another account is capital account. Again the same columns, date, particular, general folio amount, date, particular, general folio amount, and the entry is cash account debit to capital account. Then where we will transfer this figure, that is cash, we will not write the name of that account for which we are preparing the account. If we are preparing the capital account, then we will not write capital here. Okay, if we are preparing the cash account, then we will not write the cash in the cash account. Okay, जिस अकाउंट को हम बना रहे हैं उसका नाम उस अकाउंट में नहीं मेंशन करेंगे. नॉट मेंशन दोज अकाउंट फॉर विच वी आर प्रिपेयरिंग. Purchase account debit to cash account, so there is no capital. In the following transaction we have not any capital transaction, only a single transaction we have. Okay, so left out this transaction. After this, again furniture account debit to cash account, so one we have transferred there by furniture account in the cash account, and in the furniture we will write here to cash account. Okay, so each journal entry will transfer to the at least two accounts, because one for debit and one for credit. Again purchase account, so only purchase account will be transferred here, like 5th April, 8th April. This is the purchase return, and this will, and this will also go. Again, so 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Purchase account debit to cash account, then we will write here to cash account 50,000. Purchase account debit to Vishal Trading Company to Mohan Garments. Okay, so again opposite side of purchase account, these two transactions will go to the purchase account, to Vishal Trading Company and to Mohan Garments. Okay, 25,000, 16,000. ड्रॉइंग्स अकाउंट डेबिट टू कैश अकाउंट टू परचेज अकाउंट. सो परचेज अकाउंट के अपोजिट में क्या है बेटे, ड्रॉइंग्स. ठीक है, सेम साइड में जो अकाउंट है उससे कोई हमें मतलब नहीं है. अपोजिट साइड में क्या है, ड्रॉइंग्स. बाई ड्रॉइंग्स अमाउंट जो अकाउंट हम बना रहे हैं, बिकॉज वी आर प्रिपेयरिंग द परचेज अकाउंट, देन वी विल राइट द अमाउंट ऑफ परचेज अकाउंट, दैट इज 4,000. ओके, purchase account debit to Pawan Brothers, then we will write here to Pawan Brothers 24,000. So at the same point of view, we will prepare all the accounts. all the accounts. Okay, hope you understood. So please prepare the laser posting for illustration 1 and question 1 also. Okay, goodbye.